In this video, I'll show you how you can link to a page in WordPress. So if you've got a post and you want to link to a specific page, this video will help. So first you need to go to your WordPress dashboard. So go ahead and go to the dashboard and then figure out where you want to link from. So in my case, I'm going to go to posts. We'll go all posts and I'll link from one of these blog posts. So I'll go ahead and click on edit on the blog post and then we can go ahead and type out some text which we can link. So I'll just type here, if you have any issues, feel free to contact me. And now what I'll do is I'll link this contact me text. We can go ahead and highlight it. So go ahead and highlight the text and then go to this link icon, click the link icon. And then what you can do is you can search for your contact us page. So click contact us once you've found it. Obviously you would type in whatever your page is called. It will then link to that page. Now you can update this and view the post. And now if we scroll down, whatever you've linked should actually go to the page. So if you have any issues, feel free to contact me. That redirects to the contact us page. That's all you need to do. I hope that helps you out.